find our beat. And let's start with our cardio section. Side, together, side, curtsy, side, together, side, back. Now, if you'd like, if you notice, I'm barely touching the floor. Why? I'm trying to work my balance. The freestyler is absolutely amazing for that. Next is our strength. Slow yourselves down, bring your arms up, and I want you to feel the strength in your back and shoulders. Bring it out, and now we'll work the front of the shoulders, and you know what? The triceps, that little part underneath the arm. Take it up, push your chest forward, open up the lungs, bring it down. Perfect. Let's walk. So in freestyling, I wish we could say it's going to be 4 of something or 8 of something. Doesn't work like that. The way freestyling works, as the name implies, you work to your intensity. If you'd like to do more, go ahead and do more. If you want to switch to the strength portion, listen to your body and respond to it. Here we go. Take it up. Open the chest. I like to hold and pause. The freestyler is designed for slow, controlled movements. Perfect. Challenge yourselves. Open up a little bit further. Fabulous. And you're going to find with each movement, every move will count toward the final product. Let's take our side steps. 1, 2, 3. Right now, I can feel the back of my leg, and sometimes you'll catch me smiling because I just found something totally new and unexpected as I do my freestyling movements. And I teach this daily. My ladies absolutely love it, even the gentlemen. Let's take it up. So we use strength, we use balance. Right now, the cords are pulling me through the legs, and because I have to resist them, I'm into my back muscles, my centering muscles. Lift it up, enjoy the strength, bring it down. Excellent. Let's walk. 1, 2, 3, curtsy. All of us take slightly different steps, and you'll notice we oftentimes will look down, we'll check the markers in front. The design of this board is quite elegant and simple, but we like it like that. It helps me every step of the way. Here we are. Take the elbows up, open up the chest. This is called an upright row, but we've added something to it. Hold for just a second, enjoy the feeling. Let's walk. If you notice, on your last round, you probably went a little bit higher. A little bit more was put into it because the joints are opening up, and that's what freestyler does.